And this one. What about him? He looks very promising. Countess, the lichen. Very aggressive, this one. We found him bleeding out on the edge of the forest. Our guards pursued him and he destroyed half of our fleet. We are still trying to recover from that. And do not let his appearance fool you. We've checked his canines for his age due to his defiance. He wouldn't tell us, so we had to guess. And he's very strong, but he seems pretty young, with the strength of an elder. Peculiar. He seems very tame to me. What did you give him? I assume from the scent of his wounds you've given him dahlia with a hint of serpent blood. Yes. I forgot how keen your nose is, Countess. We had to give him a very big dosage. As I said before, he did tear apart half of our fleet, and it took a while to take him down. I see. He was very loud. I could hear him through the violins upstairs during the party. I hated to be called away from the masquerade when it was getting so good. But it looks like your find wasn't too upsetting. He is very eye-catching on first glance, no? Yes, Countess. What would you like us to do with him? It would be such a waste to get rid of him. All that potential he seems to have. And the smell of his blood is enticing. Something I've never smelled before. Despite the dosage you gave him, there's something else about this lichen. I think I'll keep him. What? Countess, if I may speak freely... You may not. But Countess, he's a lichen, a poison to your kind. Assuming he escaped from a jailer, he shouldn't be here over these walls on these vampiric lands. Those walls were put there 1,000 years ago for a reason. He should be disposed of immediately. Silence! I don't need advice from a human familiar on how to run my kingdom, how to protect my children, my land. Tell me, what makes you think you're any different from being a poison just because you abandoned your race to be part of mine? Doesn't make you completely one of us. You are cattle, sheep for the slaughter. Just because you're my Imperial Guard does not mean you're not replaceable. So don't forget your place. Forgive me, mistress. I did not mean to forget my place amongst you. You can earn my forgiveness by cleaning him up and sending him to my room. And don't forget to collar him. I would hate to have to get rid of this one, too. Yes, mistress. Well, good morning, pet. Shh. Don't panic. I will not kill you. You were still resting when they brung you to my chambers. So I decided to let you sleep. I promise, I did not drink any of your blood despite the intoxicating smell. You are on vampiric lands. Welcome to the land of eternal night, Noctivaria. You are in the Castle Valmoria. You are a guest, I assure you. Unless you intend to get violent, that is what the little gadget around your neck is for. I assume you've No test. No. Do not touch that. The more you fidget with it, the tighter it gets around your neck, and if the glowing light starts to beep red, your head will explode. And we don't want that, Lichen, now do we? I would hate to see your brains all over my carpet. At least wait so I can tell you why you're still alive. Oh, how precious you pretend to not remember who I am. I saw you that night, you know. The night that your father killed mine. And if that isn't a good enough reminder, I am Elizabeth Dracul, daughter of the once mighty Dracula, who sadly is no longer alive thanks to your family. Oh, pet, but you had everything to do with that. Your father was once ruler of the Lycans, and he fell in love with one of my father's familiars. He then bedded her and had you. No, it still amazes me how he kept this so close to him for so long. How you being born started a war between vampires and Lycans. It wasn't about her. It was about you. You were half human, half werewolf. My father slaughtered millions of vampires who weren't pure blood for that treaty, and your father broke it in one night. And he knew my father wasn't going to stop until he ended you. So your father took it upon himself to take Dracula's life. Don't be sorry. He was too old-fashioned. I protested to him 1,000 times that we needed a new order. We needed for our people to become stronger. They were starting to lose faith in the Empire. Humans were starting to fear us less. So I suggested another treaty, and he never took it. Thank you. Back to my point. I shall keep you by my side. I think it is time for a new change to the way my father ran things. So, why not start with you, pet? Rule by my side, not as king, of course, but as king consort. And do not worry, they will not have a choice but to agree with you being part of my vampiric family. And your human form makes you more inviting. The idea is that we show the kingdom that Lycans and vampires can be civil towards one another, increasing the faith in both our people's strength, the race of monsters as a whole, giving us an empire that will be unstoppable. What do you say to that, pet? If you say no, that would make you a waste of my time, and I do not like my time being wasted. But if you agree, I promise to remove the device from your neck. Excellent. And another thing. You are to now also be the Queen's personal blood bank. It would be such a shame to not taste you at least once. You smell so delicious. You see, for vampires, it is not just about feeding to stay alive. No, it is more than that. Feeling connected to your prey, making them comfortable to it, whether they like it or not. And if they are too defiant, I could just enchant them. Maybe they'll like it more that way. But with you, I want it to be intimate. Oh, come now. Let me get a good look at you and that beautiful neck. Soft, sacred skin. But a canvas that will soon be covered by my own creations. I can hear your heart quaking with adrenaline. Am I making you nervous, pet? Now, relax your body. Close your eyes, if it helps. You're going to feel a slight pinch. Your blood is a delectable assortment of flavors, like liquid fire. And I can see your ancestral past like it was yesterday. I must have more of you. But for now, I shall let you rest and feed. That, my dear husband, is your meal. My troublesome head guard from a few hours earlier. I decided it would be great revenge for you and a hearty meal. Good, my darling. Eat your fill. You will need it if you are to rule. You cannot do it on an empty stomach. Now can you? Now, I will leave you to it. I must get you better garbs than what you're wearing. You look like a commoner. This is not courtesy. I still despise your people, and your people despise mine. But in the face of the human uprising against us, we must work together. So, my darling, enjoy this while it lasts, because who knows? You might be dead in the end.